Today, I want to tell you a story about a witch who loses her hat, her bow, and her wand. And about all the new friends she meets on her journey. Gather round closely. Children to the front, please. Oh, I think we're missing someone. Ah, there you are, Cat. Are you two making a spell?
Yes. Higgity, ziggity, saggity, zoom!
Oh, my goodness. Everybody, get out. That was close.
The witch had a cat and a very tall hat and long ginger hair, which she wore in a plait.
Magical! Quickly, everyone, follow Witch and Cat. Enjoy the adventure! What are you hanging around for? Quickly, keep up with the children, please.
How the witch wailed and how the cat spat when the wind blew so wildly it blew off her hat. Cried the witch, her flute to the ground.
I am a dog, as keen as can be. Is there room on the broom for a dog like me? Oh dear, looks like Witch's hat is trapped in the tree. Everybody, come on, jump on down. Come on, jump. Yes, that's it. Yes, you've done it. On we go. Come on, grown-ups, keep up with the story.
Dog and the dog. Witch tapped the broomstick. Whoosh! Over the fields and the forest they flew. The dog wagged his tail. The stormy wind blew. The witch laughed aloud and held on to her hat. But away blew the bow from her long ginger plait. By the witch.
I am a bird, as green as can be. Is there a bird on the road? A bird like me?
What looks like Witch's bow has fallen into a haystack. Can you find it? Well done, you found it.
So the bird fluttered on. Witch tapped the broomstick. Whoosh! And was gone. Over the woods and the rivers of green, the bird shot with fire, the storm wind blew, the shot in the skies, the battle beyond. The witch clutched her bow, and let go of his hand.
Down!
Cried the witch, and flew to the ground.
bullfrog, as clean as can be. Is there room on the broom for a frog like me?
Oh dear me! The bullfrog has eaten Witch's wand! Hit the fireflies and see if he will give it back! Well done! You found it!
So the frog bounded on. The witch tapped the broomstick, and whoosh! They were gone.
That's my wish!
Thank you! Oh, thank you!
The grateful witch cried.
Without you, I'd be in that rabbit inside! Oh
He spread out his wings and was off. The grateful witch cried.
Without you!
Then she filled up her cauldron and said with a grin,